It is not some physical state we all carry. I think you need to feel beautiful inside, so that way you can radiate your beauty out.
If I'm happy, I feel beautiful.
Everything that, impacts positively on somebody.
Feeling really good in my own body, in my own skin.
Feeling empowered by your own style and owning it, and when you're owning it, you're feeling beautiful.
Liking the morning person of yourself you see in the mirror.
Beauty is self-confidence.
Taking time to enjoy the small things in life.
When I take care of myself.
When I make someone laugh, or smile.
That glow that comes from inside out, basically doing things that I like. Singing loudly while I'm driving, eating sushi, sleeping 9 hours a day, staring at the sun and sea, and all of that makes me happy.
I feel beautiful when I'm empowered, when I accomplish all my goals.
It is, depending on what kind of beauty you focus on.
I think beauty is empowering because when we feel beautiful, we radiate it and people notice it.
Beauty makes you feel good about yourself, and it helps you and enables you to do the things that you never thought you'd be able to do. So what is more empowering than that?
I think it can make you feel confident, make you feel positive.
When you have time for yourself and when you take care of yourself, you feel better. So only in that way.
You are the one who is deciding if it's going to empower you or not. Every woman who is successful in her business and in the field that she works, she empowers me.
The first one I thought of was Oprah Winfrey, so I would say she is.
My mom, I always thought she was the most beautiful woman in the world.
I have a lot of powerful women around me and mentors in my work life and a beautiful mother, and I think that I take good things from each and one of them.
Coco Chanel, for everything that she challenged and everything that she changed.
My mom.
It is an evening spa routine.
So a long shower with, hot water.
So anytime I put any sort of mask or any treatment that is a bit, takes more time than usual.
Working out or implementing a work project can make you feel beautiful. Also some feelings like being calm and mindful or strong and fierce can make me feel beautiful.
I really like cleansing time, so cleansing my skin is something that I really enjoy in.
I think that good eyebrows make everything perfect.